Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. What's common between those guys? The hybrid engine that they use or the hybrid energy engine. It's the same drivetrain in all these three vehicles. Now, if you need to find the ignition coil capacitor, also known as radio suppression capacitor, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to go ahead guys, okay, open the hood on that Ford C-Max, but the same engine has been used in Fusion and MKZ as well. You can see the same engine right here. And what we did guys, we removed the intake hose right here from the air, from the grill to the intake air filter box. Okay, the two hoses, this is one of them. You can see we removed that one, and we removed the throttle body one because we'll be servicing the throttle body to clean it. If you want to see the video how to clean throttle body, we'll have it on our channel. And if you pay attention right here guys, okay, right here with that 10mm socket, that's where, okay, you have that device that's known as ignition coil capacitor or radio suppression capacitor. Okay, you have only one nut holding it, 10mm nut. That's the device down there. The purpose of that thing guys is when the ignition coils are running, okay, it's practically creating electricity that can interfere with the radio signal, okay, and the purpose of that device is actually to go ahead, okay, and eliminate that. So you will not have static, the radio will be nice clean. Otherwise, if you hear static popping, it could be because of that. Also, another thing, it could be let's say you hear kind of like static that will increase with the RPMs when you're revving up the engine. Most likely you failed your your capacitor right there. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.